Hi everyone, welcome to the Schwobin's Nest. Today I want to share with you all of the great finds I picked up at Dollarama just a couple of days ago. Dollarama is a Canadian store and it's sort of like the American Target dollar spot where you can get things anywhere from $1 up to $3, $4, and $5.
These are some of the metal items that I picked up at Dollarama. They have these nice little rectangular tins. They can be used for organization or for planters, for some artificial greenery. They have a nice little decoration here. They also had some with flowers. These were $1.25 a piece. Then I also picked up this garden stake. It's a rooster garden stake. And I thought it would be really neat to use this in my farm fresh eggs decor as an additional little item in there, maybe to set it inside the basket. Probably going to get painted. This was $4. And then I also picked up this chicken rooster, I guess you could call it. This one is to hang. It's got some jute string that you can use to hang it up, and it also has some hooks down below. It was also $4.
The last two metal items that I got were these two signs. You can hang them with the jute string. You can stand them up because they have a flat bottom, but I'm probably going to remove the lettering and do something different with them. On my second tour throughout the store, I found this metal garden basket. It's actually a hose basket and it's meant to be hung outside to corral your garden hose, but I thought it would be really nice to use indoors. You can hang it on the wall using the two screw sockets provided and either use it for some greenery. It could be used for home organization. You could spray paint it white if you wanted to, or any other color, and it comes with two wall screws and inserts. It was $4, so I couldn't resist to grab this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I couldn't pass it up.
Looking at some of the wooden items that I picked up, these are the dowels that I used in my boxwood and asparagus fern wreath. They are $1.25 for 6 of them, and they're 3/8 of an inch wide. Then I also found these in the garden section. These are some little wooden stakes. They're called wooden plant labels. They were also $1.25. There's 10 to a pack. And I thought they would be really cool to use to make a pallet sign, to use it as an arrow pointing on top of a sign, or you could probably cut the ends off and then just use them for any other type of wood decor. Last year I found these letters. They were about an inch high. These ones are about 2 inches high, and if you can see them up close, they have a little bit of rustic brown around the edges, so they'd be really nice to use naturally like that, or you could stain them. There's 40 pieces in a set, and they were $1.50.
These are little pallets that are made out of MDF board. They look a little distressed already, so that would save a step. They've got the jute string so you can hang it. They were $2, and I picked up about 6 of them because I thought it would be a neat idea to glue multiple together to make a wider sign, or maybe up and down. If you like to make wooden signs like I do, these will be a perfect addition to your home decor. Then I found these rustic wooden picture frames. They're a 5x7 size, and I believe they were $2.50 a piece. I like the rustic look of them, and they would be really good natural like this, or you could also paint them. The next items I purchased were 4 of these white metal frames. I want to do the faux window look in my living room, so I decided to grab these because they don't have a backing to them, but they just have this little support system inside that actually makes it look like glass in between the window, which I think might look a little bit more realistic.
Our Dollarama has a lot of different sizes of canvas boards, and these two are 12 by 16. They're $3 each. So moving on to greenery and such things, they have this jar of pebbles, it's called, and it was $3.50. It's quite heavy. It's probably at least 5 pounds worth of pebbles. They have different colors. I chose the white because I want to do a topiary. They also still had some of these greenery pots. They're like a little cement looking pot. They're $4 each. This one looks like a eucalyptus, and this one kind of looks more like boxwood or something like that. So I did pick up 3 more of these. Then I also grabbed some of their flower stems. They are priced now at $1.25. I thought these flowers were really pretty. And then I also picked up this couple of sprays of this lavender. It is plastic, but I really like the color of it. It's a little bit of a mauve color, and it looks really pretty. So they have these garlands now. They're $1.25 for the whole thing. It's about, I would say it's about 4 feet long. And this one actually looks like eucalyptus leaves. They're plastic, so you could easily take the stems apart and use each stem how you want to in a wreath or any type of floral arrangement.
The other type of garland that I got was this asparagus fern. I like to use this in combination with other flowers and other greenery. I'll probably take this one apart too and just use individual stems. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up at Dollarama, and I hope you can find similar items at a store near you. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.